In this video, we'll guide you through the process of using the decision component in RPA Desktop Design Studio to create a simple decision-making automation. Open the Toolbox pane in RPA Desktop Design Studio. Under the Conditions section, drag and drop the decision component onto the design surface. Double-click the field under the Decision Component bar to enter the condition in the field. In this example, we'll use I equals 10, where I is the parameter. Back in the Toolbox pane, expand the General section and drag and drop the variable component onto the design surface. Double-click the field under the Variable Component bar and enter a static value, such as 10. For testing purposes, we'll drag and drop two message box show components onto the design surface to verify the output of the decision component. In the Toolbox pane, expand the message box section and drag and drop two show components onto the design surface. For the first message box, enter the value such as true to display when the condition evaluates as true. For the second message box, enter false to display when the condition evaluates as false. Then we'll connect all control ports and data ports. When finished, select the Run button to execute the automation. Since the variable is set to 10 and matches the condition I equals 10, the true message box will appear. Click OK to close the message box. Now we'll update the static value in the variable component to 5. Run the automation again. Since the variable value 5 does not match the condition I equals 10, the false message box will appear. Now you can automate the decision-making process by using the decision component in RPA Desktop Design Studio.